Hello everyone, welcome to Flavor Box. My name is Chef Aaron and I am here at the 7-Star Culinary Institute just to remind you we have the May intake ongoing. Registration is available. Now let's jump into today's episode. Let's find out what we are making. A nice veg curry with lots of nice, bouncy, flavorful, earthy veggies for you to enjoy. Easy to find in your local market with a side of nice biryani rice. Now this is one to go for. Let's make this together. Let's go. Dig in along with me. Get a fork. You have a fork? Let's go in. All right, so to make our veg curry, Ugandan style, my way, we're going to need lots of things that you have right here. In we go with first those onions. Ginger, garlic in. We're gonna go in with the carrot. Get those potatoes in. Remember they are pre-cooked. And then toss it up. So give that about a minute. And then in with all those peas. Look at those colors just popping. Everything is popping right, coming together perfectly. So for the curries, you want to make sure that you firstly roast those spices. So I'm going to get all those spices, make a well in the center, and then get those curries in the middle right there. Madras powder or curry powder, whatever you have, and then spread this all over the base, and then start mixing that up. And so we're going to water that up with our gravy and our puree, tomato puree. So to make this, you want to go in now. So start with that puree. Get it in there gently at high heat. And then remember the chicken stock. This is my secret to every curry. You'd want to have some chicken flavor. Now be careful, if you're cooking for a vegetarian or for a vegan, keep this away. All right, so to finish our dish, we need just a little bit more of that flavor. So I'm gonna put our nicely cut out green pepper, some sugar. This is going to reduce on the acidity of the tomatoes that we used earlier. And then some Royco. And then I would also love to use some Royco cube or whatever cube that you have to use. Finish it with all that goodness of coriander. Look at that. Ooh, baby. And then get all that goodness on the side straight in. Straight in. So the potatoes are nicely cooked. So let's dig in, people. Dig in along with me. Get a fork. You have a fork. Let's go in. Hi. This is gonna be so good. Oh my God, look at those caramelized onions. Oh my God, meeting up all those veggies. That nice steamy. Ooh, let's go in. Come on.